Thank you for clicking on this video because you will never regret it. If you just stop by to watch this video, congratulations, because you have found yourself one video that will change your forex experience, one video that will change your forex career, and one video that will assist you to make a profit beyond your own imagination. So this video is a video that will help you to Skype. When I mean Skype, I mean that will help you to take profit without any further losses. If you lose your trade using this strategy, then know it very well that your problem is not strategy, that your problem is that you need more knowledge before you start applying your strategy. All right, let's step in as I will add up my indicators right away. The first indicator I am using is moving average, and the moving average I am using is 14 exponential. I have to change this color. Let me use blue, and I added this is 14 exponential. Then I have to add another moving average. I have to add this time 50. Now this time I will not be using the blue. This time I think I should be using, let me see, something that can be noticeable. Let me see, let me use red. All right, these are the two lines on the screen now. Can you see it? Can you see the two lines? Relax, I will explain how it works. All right, I'll be adding another thing here. I'll be adding another thing as my window one. Remember that this strategy can work on your smartphone. This strategy can work on your smartphone. This is stochastic oscillator. Then I'll be adding my K period as one, add my D period one. I'll be adding my slowing as one so that it will not be that harsh. Then I will be adding my color. The red here is background color. The light sea green is background color. Are you getting that? Then my levels, this is where you should pay attention. Then the levels I'll be adding now is 90. Let me be dropping it first. 90. All right, this is 90. This is 80. This one is 20. This one is 20. This one is 10. And this one is 50. So this is how this thing is. Then I have to add up a little thing so that I can be able to see it in my background. So I can use this fire brink. Are you seeing it below here? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? All right, so and I'll be adding another thing on the moving, on the indicator window one. All right, I'll be adding another thing on indicator window one, which is my moving average. So this time I'll be adding the 51st. Are you seeing it? I'll be adding the 51st. Then I'll be adding another one on the same indicator window one. This time is 14. The 14, then I can change it to be blue. Then I close. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that now? Are you seeing that? Yes, so this is how. All right, so I hope you can see it, but I think I have to add up the line here. I have to add up the line, so I have to add the line on the distance, so that on the stochastic, so that you can be able to see it clearly. So I think I should add up so that you will see the crossing. Yes, I hope you can see it clearly now. I hope you can see it clearly. All right, I hope you can see it now. I hope you can see it. All right, now, like I told you earlier, if your eyes can see this, then be ready to make profit in the forex world. I'm not exaggerating words. I am telling you the truth of what I know. This strategy can work for boom and crash, 500 and 1,300. Then you can also work for volatility 75, volatility 25, volatility 10. You can also work on jump index, and also it can also work on step index. All right. So this is how it is going to be. Now, let me show you how powerful this strategy can be and what you should be looking at for and what you will be doing on the market for you to be scalping, what you will be seeing for you to do your scalping. Once you see it, get ready to do your scalping. All right, let me show you something. Let me show you something. From this place now, the levels is reducing, but I have to be adding here. Remember that here now we'll have 10. This place will have 10. This place will have 50. We'll have 50, and here we'll have 90. So we'll have 90. We'll have 90. This is the complete line. Are you getting it? This is the complete line. This is the complete line. So when are you going to be placing your trade using this very strategy? Number one, as the market touch this place and cross down to this very place, this line is 90, here is 80. So for you to catch spike, as the blue and the red line touch this very line and cross over to this very green line here and start entering between the 50 here, and the 80. If you see such a thing, it's an opportunity for you to take, it's an opportunity for you to catch your spike, and it will take you from here. And from here now, you'll notice that the market will cross over between the blue line and the black line. Two of them will cross over, and this is how the spike is going to happen from that place down to this place. And before it will touch here now, it will first meet to this place, and as it touches to this place, it's not ranging for scalping, which is it's not ranging for you to start buying. All right, let me answer this question from somebody. He asked a very simple and intelligent question. Let me answer the question. Let me answer the question. He said, question number one, I noticed that it tells different direction of the market on the 1 minute time frame. It says oversell, and the line touch the 10 and ready to go uptrend. But on 1 hour time frame, it overbuy, which is overbought, and touches the 90 and ready for uptrend, downtrend. Now my question is, what time frame is the best time frame out of for when using your strategy? I spent all night practicing, but I still haven't gotten it right. Thank you. This is what the person said it. I blanked his name so that fraudsters will not use it against him tomorrow. All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you, Mr. Man. I respect that question, and I want to answer the question straightforward. And for every one of you that have similar question, listen to me. This is 1 hour time frame, and when we talk about 1 hour time frame, you have to consider one thing when placing trade. Listen to me. Like the signal I'm giving to you now, Here is the red. This red have touched the 90 and is trying to start stepping down like this. Now here is 80, which is this line. It has started stepping down like this. I don't know why the line is disappearing. I don't know why the line is disappearing, so I have to fix it back again so that we'll be able to get this thing correct, because I don't want anybody to miss out in this 90, 50, 10. I don't want anybody to miss out in this. Please bear with me. I don't know what is going on, but we don't have to give up now. All right. Let me add up the line again. Please let me use different thing. You see what I'm showing you now? Now look at this. Each time the market touches this place, this is 1 hour time frame, and here is where you should see the confirmation. Now look at, if the market touched on 90 levels in your 1 hour time frame, but in your lower time frame it have not touched the lower time frame, it have not shown the same thing. So the right time frame for you to use is no longer what matters here, but what matters here is the movement of the market in your higher time frame. And you know, for you to ask this question, which means you have knowledge of what forex trading is all about. Now, to answer each thread, here, the candle that is making a move here is bullish and is trying to go up, but this is the only challenge it's having here. And here is also the support zone. This candle can also spike and continue going down like what happened here. From here now, you will think that the market is going up, but not knowing that it will step down to this place to take a little range in here to decide whether to continue going up or to, either to change the direction to go up, which here is the breakout point. Here is also a breakout point. So one thing you should know about this is this. One thing you should know about this very thing is this. It's very simple for you to understand. One, that the market touched on higher time frame here. Now that the market touched on a higher time frame here, but have not touched on the lower time frame, is not a big deal. The time frame for you to use is the time frame that will make the candle go to the direction where you will find your entry point. I repeat, in your lower time frame, the market can touch here, but in your higher time frame is somewhere here. So what this thing is trying to show you is that in your lower time frame, there is an opportunity for you to sell, for you to buy, while in your higher time frame, there is no single opportunity for you to buy. So what you need to do is that you will stay clear from the market completely, or or as this market is stepping into this place, let me show you something. When this thing you are seeing here now is going on in your lower time frame, you'll be seeing something like this. As this thing goes up from here, you will see scalping like this. As it started spiking, you will see something like this. It will go up, it will go up, it will go up, it will go up, and it will be doing like this. That is how the market will be in our lower time frame. Because as this thing happened here now, it's more of spike and a kind of retracement. Remember that there is something I want you to know, though this is not the class, but I want you to know this, that this single thing you are seeing here now, as you are watching this very thing here, in your 1 minute time frame, it have candles. Remember that the last candle that just closed, the market will not come and clear it off. So if you are trading this very strategy now, as this thing is trying to retrace like this and start going up like this. So one thing you should have in mind is this, that A candle that open on your 1 hour time frame or your higher time frame is an opportunity for you to do the strategy, which is what I am telling you now. So as this thing is going up in this direction like this now, as this thing is on a bullish movement now, in your 1 minute time frame, this thing have crossed storage and it will be on a very high trend like this. So when this thing will start pulling down here now, then this thing must have touched this place and start going down like this. Are you get what I'm saying? So that is why your best time frame for this very strategy is the best candle that you notice that you want to trend. Get that again. The best candle you want to, the best time frame for you is the best candle, because there is nothing like there is nothing like time frame without candlestick movement. It is the candles you are seeing here now that is making up the time frame in your either higher or lower. So that is why you can count 1, 2, 3 now in 1 hour time frame, but when you go to 4 hours time frame, it will just be only one candle. Are you seeing it? So if you enter into this, it's a little bit deep, a little bit deep, but not that deep. You will notice that the time frame, it does not really matter. What matters most here now is, what do you know about this candle, and what are you going to make use of this candle in your lower time frame. Once you get this, as this candle is pulling down, nobody will inform you that this candle is going to be a spike, because we are dealing on crash. Are you get what I'm saying? So for you to use this candle, this very strategy is simple, because I'm going to backtest. It's very, very simple. As the market touched this place and cross over to the line like this, don't trade when it is in between the line. Don't trade, because it may frustrate you. As it steps in like that, it's an opportunity for you to catch and do your scalping. Now look at what happened here now. Look at what happened. I circled this place here. This market will help you to fish out false signals. As the thing is happening inside this place, you will not trade until it breaks out. And as it breaks out, this is where it is going. But this here is when you notice that the market has started taking a step. Are you getting that? So don't be deceived. Don't force yourself into the market. But if I am to encourage you to choose a best time frame, then I will ask you to look out for a time frame from 1 hour time frame. Why? Because any move on a 1 hour time frame will be more convenient and you trade more comfortable than your small candles in 1 minute time frame. So my advice, if you can have the patience, trade with 1 hour time frame. Trade with 1 hour time frame. Though that sometimes the candle from 4 hours and a day trend can also frustrate 1 hour time frame. But because when the market is spiking on 4 hours time frame, it's going to frustrate the uptrend in 1 hour time frame. So let me backtest and show you, so that you will see how simple this can be. If you are using a small lot size, if you are using a small lot size small account, if you are using a small account, there is one simple thing you can do. Trade with very low account, please. Don't trade with very low lot size. Don't rush into the market with high lot size because you want to make huge profits. At the process of making huge profit, you may be flushed out of the market. All right. So look at this now. Look at this. If the market goes like this, if the market, if see, if everything happen like this, don't rush. But immediately it crosses to this place, it will confirm it from the time frame. Take at least take these candles. You can take at least 10 candles. So if you have not been able to take one successful candle in your life, please take this strategy serious. It's going to work for you. I mean, it will work for you. You too can do it. You too can do it. Watch what I'm showing you. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? It will help you to, for some of you who don't know how to practice patience, Look at it. So if you can patient enough to watch this, see, be careful. This one crossed or this one have not crossed. So wait until you see the total crossing which happened here, and immediately it happened here, it confirmed it from here. Look at where it landed. So just see it this way. See it this way. So as the market step into this place, stay clear. As the market step into that place, stay clear. Look at it. Are you get what I'm saying now? Let me show you one more example, and you can see this up to 5 times in a day. uh you can see this up to 5 times in a day. Now look at this place. This one entered here and crossed here. As it crossed here, it confirmed it from this place. Look at where it is. So if you see something like this, then know it that it have not stepped into the oversold zone. It's not here. Come on now, guys, you can do this. You can do, I mean, you can do this. Help yourself. Help yourself. Look at it. It crossed here, and this one crossed here, and this one finally crossed here. It crossed here. Forget about this spike. It still take you to this place. You are still on money. So this the second question somebody asked me is, when should I take my TP? One, as you step into this place, depending on the lot size you are using, depending on the lot size you are depending on the capital and your lot size you are using. If the market crosses over to this place, target your first TP on 50 levels, then the final TP is on the 80 levels. Don't allow it to get to 90, because one spike can put the market down to 50. So don't wait until it get to 90. So as it's approaching 80 level, sometimes the market may not get to 80 before pulling back, like what happened here now. It didn't get to 90 before 80 before pulling. So the best place for you to do is, as it touched 90, most especially the red, as the red touches 50, close your trade. By so doing, you have taken at least 15 candles, which is a successful entry point and a closing point. All right, let me still show you more so that you will see how possible this strategy can be. You too can do it. You look at it, it crosses here. There is a spike here, that's true, but finally, had it been that you allowed it to cross completely, you wouldn't have seen the spike. So this is where the market crossed completely. The whole red crossed the 20 levels, and from here it took you down to this place. So don't go and blow your account. But if all those things are still confusing to you, then know it that your problem is not strategy. Know it you need a mentor. Look at this, and I've said this in my last video, which is, this one is the PC version of this thing. So like I said before, if you are come in this January, I'll be giving you a discount in my mentorship class. All right, I'll be giving you a discount to help some people pick up in this new year. All right, so this is how simple it can be. Don't trade when it have not crossed, but as long as it have crossed, enter and make your profit. Now for you not to make kind of mistake, use the lowest lot size and use the lowest zoom level, so that you will see it completely. Use the lowest zoom level. Take at least 10 to 15 candles and you're out of the market. Look at it. Look at it here. Something like this is okay for you to enjoy. All right. So it is for pros that can trade here. It is for pros that can trade the crossing. And mind you, every crossing must give you something to enjoy, but not everyone can trade that. So it's not advisable. I am not advising you to trade that. So for safety, trade here. Look at it. If it cross below the window one and cross on the main chart, pros can do it and enjoy their trade. But don't do that. It will not help you. Like currently now, the market is ranging for those who know the market. So my name is GDFX, and I wish to see every one of you succeed. And if you are still searching for mentorship, please, we are here to assist you. We are ready to give out what we have. I have many in my place. I have those who are in class one, those who are in class two, intermediate class. We have those who are in professional class. So you can choose depending on where you start Stop wasting your money, stop making brokers rich. This strategy will make you rich. And some of you are making a kind of mistake. You want to deposit your money on forex trading, you raise it to use the money you raise there to pay for mentorship. Why you are using the $200 to raise more money, you blow it off. While you are blowing it off, you are looking for another money. Why you can beg somebody to assist you with $200. After it, you can start a journey with $50 or $100 and recover this. But you will lose this without blaming anybody. But sometimes you pay somebody $500 and expect that person to die training you. Sorry about that, okay? So, but once you pay this to someone, the person will help you, and with this you can come back, or with this you can come back. So don't give broker this when you don't have the right knowledge. And sometimes people are parading themselves saying that they are GDFX. I am not the person that is calling you. I've never called anybody to tell that person I want to mentor you. I've never done that before. I've never chat people privately and tell them that I want to mentor you. So, and I've never sent account number to anyone without having a private discussion with the person. And if the account number, if let me not go that place. So don't just fall their victim. My phone number is on that group on the description. So chat me up if seriously you need mentorship on this. Forex is really sweet, oh, if you have the right knowledge. GDFS, I'm signing out. Thank you.